We're gonna do a quick walk around video. All four wheels don't have curb rash and they're wrapped with new tires from 22. It's Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. Paint's in excellent condition. Everything is fully functioning on this car. No issues, everything works. Go ahead and open up the passenger side. Interior is like brand new. Go ahead and open up the front compartment and the rear. And go ahead and look at the front here. Go ahead and look at the engine compartment. Take a look at the driver's side.